Hello, my friends. Can you tell me who am I? Think. Yes, I'm Mr. Elephant. Today I'm here to meet you all. Hello. I'm so happy to meet you. You are so cheerful children. I'm also going to learn with you. But where is teacher? Shall we call her? Teacher, Vidula teacher, where are you? Please come. I want to learn from you. Where are you, Vidula teacher? Bah!
Hi, Mr. Elephant. How are you?
I'm fine, teacher.
Very good. So today we are going to learn something new.
We will start a session
By singing the phonics song. Are you ready?
A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. G for gorilla, gorilla. H for hat, hat. I for igloo, igloo. J for juice, juice. K for kangaroo, kangaroo. L for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. N for no, no. O for octopus, octopus. P for pig, pig. Q for question, question. R for ring, ring. S for sun, sun. T for train, train. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for van, van. W for watch, watch. X for box, box. Y for yellow, yellow. Z for zoo, zoo.
Today we will learn the letter E, the fifth letter of the alphabet. As you know, there are 26 letters. Now, listen to the story of an animal. You will find some words which start with E. Once there was an elephant named Ellie. Elephant. Ellie. Every morning, Ellie exercised on the ground to keep herself fit and healthy. Exercise. One day, she saw an empty glass on the bench. Empty. Empty. So, she picked it and threw it into the dustbin. Ellie wanted to attend a birthday party of her sister, Esthi. Esthi. So, she took a bath and prepared a breakfast for herself. Do you know what did she make for the breakfast?
She boiled an egg.
Egg. Egg. She loved to eat the egg. Children, do you know? We get lot of protein from the egg. While having the breakfast, Ellie was singing a song. Sunday ho ya Monday, रोज खाओ अंडे. Sunday ho ya Monday, रोज खाओ अंडे. Then she made a beautiful greeting card and kept it in an envelope. 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 Ellie bought a toy engine for her sister. What did she buy? She bought a toy engine. 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 In the evening, she celebrated her sister's birthday with joy. Happy birthday to Esthi. Happy birthday to Esthi. They danced and had lot of fun. Ellie's sister Esthi loved the gift. She played with the toy engine for the whole night. Ellie came home and slept happily. Children, did you find the words which start with the letter E? Very good. In the story, there were many words which begin with E. Which were they? Can you tell me? Yes. Elephant. Elephant. Ellie. Ellie. Esthi. Esthi. Egg. Egg. Empty. Empty. Envelope. Envelope. Exercise. Exercise. Very good. So, we will learn to write the letter E. E. Now, let's write this letter in the air. Children, letter E has 3 sleeping line and 1 standing line. Okay? So, raise your pointer finger and start writing in the air. Standing line, 1 sleeping line, the 2nd sleeping line, and the 3rd sleeping line make letter E. Standing line, 1 sleeping line, the 2nd sleeping line, and the 3rd sleeping line make letter E. Let's revise the lines. This is the first red line, the first blue line, the second blue line, and the second red line. I will start from the first red line. First, I will draw a standing line from the first red line and touch the second blue line. Then, I will draw 1 sleeping line on the first red line. The second sleeping line on the first blue line. And the 3rd sleeping line on the second blue line. After writing each letter, keep 2 fingers gap and then write next E. Standing line, sleeping line, the second sleeping line, and the 3rd sleeping line make letter E. 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 I hope you understood the pattern. Now it's homework time. Write today's date and complete 2 pages of letter E. Will you complete this homework? Yes? Excellent. 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 Thank you.